What's up, everyone? We wrapped the day up today. It was a fairly choppy market, okay. But I managed to have one of a pretty good day. All right, my daily goal is 3,000. I mean $1,000, and today I closed the day at $3,127. So I had a I had a day today where I did three times my daily goal. Okay, and usually. Um, You'll notice that some of these trades right here that I took, okay, so I traded HGEN, I traded Mara, Zkin, RKT, VIAC. This Ethereum trade you can actually ignore because I was trying to go long Ethereum as a swing trade, but I bought it into the wrong account. All right. I traded RIOT, Workhorse, and CLDX. Okay. So I had a $3,127 day. I had my biggest winner of the day was VIAC, which is two trading days in a row now because I had a big winner on it on Friday also. Okay. Um, but the reason what I wanna talk about today is kind of my biggest regret. All right. My biggest regret of the day is CLDX. All right. This set up perfectly for reversal, and the reason I want to bring this up is because um, on Friday we had that same reversal on VIAC, but on VIAC on Friday we were selling off. Okay, we were selling off, and then we went long. Sorry. All right, so we were selling off. We got the big volume candle, hammer candle. We went long, right? Today on CLDX, um, what happened was we were selling off. Okay, I didn't catch this move going forward because I hadn't know it didn't indicate me that it was gonna a reversal was gonna happen. So this was not my strategy. All right, this just reversed, but this had nothing to do with my strategy. This just reversed by itself. All right, but over here you'll see that we had a big reversal. All right, which comes into my strategy. All right, remember I talked about high volume reversal. Okay, showing the inverse hammer candle coming into a resistance point, which was over here the 50 moving average on the daily. Okay, this was a perfect setup. Um, I didn't that I missed. Um, I was doing something else at the moment. I was trading. I was ripping. I was just flipping through some charts, but I was waiting for this to happen. I wanted to see this ramp up in volume and look for a reversal on this stock, and I missed it. Okay. Um, I mean, as you could see over here, I ended up trading it a little bit. Took a loss on it on my first trade, and then traded it for a reversal over here. Uh, a reversal from the down. So this was a uptrend, downtrend. I took it for a reversal for a downtrend back up. I made a little bit of money on this, but at the same time, I was already up $3,000. Okay, so again, I was up three times my daily goal, so I didn't want to risk too much. So some of these trades that I took was kind of they ended up working, but um, I didn't stay in for it because I didn't want the trade to go against me. Okay, because I was already three times my daily goal. Okay, so when I'm up that much money, I'm trying to protect my profits. I'm not trying to take any hero trades at all. Okay, so what I tend to do in those moments is I'll hop in the trade, and if it doesn't immediately resolve, and if for any reason it doesn't go the way I need it to go, I'm out. All right. So I shorted it. It didn't go. I got out immediately. All right. So I probably shorted it right here, and I got out immediately. Okay. It didn't work for me. All right. Same thing here. Shorted it. Covered over here. All right. I took a small loss. And I had a small winner over here. Eventually, this stock at some point I was down $400 on it. Um, it turned out to be only a $63 loss. You can see right here, right here. Oh, $64 loss. Okay, but it's the biggest regret of my day because, I mean, look at that. If we were to take that trade, it would have been a 12% trade. Okay, $2.71. I think I was trading this with a maximum share size of, let's see here, 2,000 shares. Okay, so I was trading it with 2,000 shares. That would have been almost a $6,000 winner. Okay, but I mean, we didn't get it. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. Again, can't be greedy. Can't win them all. Can't be there all the time. But this is a perfect example, again, for the strategy, the reversal strategy that I was showing you guys that I did on VIAC. All right, anytime you see ramp up in volume like this, okay, huge volume candle, coming into support, coming into resistance. Another confirmation would be to see it like, kind of a topping tail candlestick, inverse hammer, whatever you want to call it. That this stock is getting ready to reverse. Okay, anytime I see this scenario play out, I would take this trade with full size position and I would hold. All right, I would hold. Okay, I would hold for at least $1 move. Okay, in this situation, I usually, anytime I'm in a trade, my if it's not something that I'm way too confident in, I immediately take partials. Okay, I take partials at 20 cents and then 40 cents and probably $1 after that, whatever, But in this situation, I would have held. Okay, I would have held all the way down until this right here, this confluence. You see between the 100 daily moving average and the 13 EMA. Okay, that's where I would have probably taken my first partial. I would have sold half. Okay, and then I would have held the rest to come down. All right, but that's that. I just wanted to talk about that. I wanted to show you guys again how beautiful this setup is and how it always works. It's like it's been such a big winner for me this year. All right, taking these reversal plays. Okay, especially days like this where it's a choppy market. Sell-offs get bought up. And when a stock is going, it gets shorted. Okay, so we're in a really, really choppy market. You have to be very careful with these indicators. Okay, especially if you go long at some point over here. You could have gone long right here. This is a perfect, bull flag breakout, VWAP breakout. You could have gone long, and if you're long, you want to also still pay attention to this situation. Okay, because once you see these ramp up in volumes, all right, that could be an indicator that the stock is about to reverse. All right, but you're not only looking at the volume, you have to also match it up with this inverse hammer candle. Okay, topping tail candle. All right, going into support level. All right, so there's like a few things that I have to check out, but it's mainly the volume. All right, and I like to also keep up the 15-second chart, and this is a good way for me to be able to tell what the volume is doing. All right, because when you're in a 5-minute candle, all right, this volume candle doesn't happen in the first 1 minute. You don't know that you're having a big volume candle in the first 1 minute of a 5-minute. There's no way to tell. All right, or even a 3-minute. This is a 3-minute chart. Sorry, so you don't know. Okay, you could see that volume is increasing. It's fairly getting higher than the rest of the candles, but you don't know that it's about to have the biggest volume candle of the day. The best thing to do in situations like this is pay attention to your 15-second chart. Okay, if you look at your 15-second chart and you pay attention to the volume over here, you will notice that, okay, you're getting, look at that, you're getting big volume right here. Okay, big volume coming in. All right, volume, there it is. It's getting ready for the reversal. Okay, This is all part of the same. This is all part of the same 3-minute candle. Okay, this is a 15-second chart. You see, if you pay attention over here, my cursor doesn't move. Watch. All right. So this is all part of the same 3-minute candle. Okay, right here. Volume ramping up. Volume ramping up. Okay, volume ramping up. Can't say it enough. Okay, so if you're long on the stock, this is an indicator to go to get out. Okay, and if you're looking for a reversal, this is a perfect setup for you to take a reversal trade. All right, keep in mind these are day trades. This usually works on the best on 5-minute candles. Okay, I like to look for it on 5-minute candles, but it works on any time frame you look at. Okay, as I see more examples, I'll keep uploading videos about it. All right, that's about it, guys. I mean, I could talk about the trades that I took on VIAC and how I made so much money on it, but in all reality, it's all over the place. All right, look at this. Shorted it on the way down, bought some for the pops. You know, there was no real clean one thing set up. Most of these were scalp plays. You know, breakouts, bull flag breakouts. I was watching the volume on the 15-second chart. You know, ever since I started paying attention to volume, it's changed my game completely. All right. So, I mean, actually, you know what? I can talk about Workhorse. Maybe Workhorse could be a good example of that volume play that I'm talking about. All right, so let's look at Workhorse over here. So let me move this. This is again the 15-second chart. I want to bring it to right here, where I took my entries and exits. Okay, Workhorse again came out with some news. Democrats are trying to stop the bill for the USPS contract with OPSK. Whatever, but I just I didn't think it was strong news. All right, and I was right. Okay, it came, it broke above VWAP on the 3-minute. I'm looking at the 3-minute candlestick. It didn't really hold its gains. Came down, kind of like shook up around here a little bit. All right, let's see here. Where's that? I want to see where it opens. Okay, so this is the beginning of this 3-minute candle. All right, this one right here. So you'll see that you know, it kind of had like a false breakout, low volume. All right, false breakout, low volume. Had another breakout, again low volume, and as it came down, I was like, all right, I'm short this thing. Okay, so you'll see over here, I took ignore these two trades. I was just testing to see if I had shares to borrow on it. So over here, I took 3,000 shares short, and then I went in another 1,000 shares short again. 1307, 1310, 1308, 1306. So you could say my average was probably 1308. All right, I took my first partial right here, 1,000 shares, just to lock in some profits. 1302. Took some off of this VWAP, you know, 1297 right before it broke. You know, it's coming into VWAP. I want to make sure I'm securing a little bit more profit. Breaks below VWAP, take some profit, and you know, I got some nice fills over here too, 1288 and 1293. I mean, I could have held, could have continued going, but again, I was already up on the day, you know, so whatever was happening was just a bonus. Okay, so anytime I'm taking trades like this, these are just bonus trades. All right, see if there's anything else I want to show you guys before I wrap it up. I called out this RIOT. Let's see, RIOT. See, I called out RIOT on my Twitter today. All right. Hey, if you guys aren't following me, follow me on Twitter at Profit Rocket. That's PRFT Rocket. That's highly appreciated, man. All right. So Let's see what I did over here with RIOT. So this is the problem with RIOT. It's not showing my executions for some reason. It's been doing this to me all day. Let me see. Alright, it's not showing my executions on RIOT. But RIOT's trade, I tweeted that it was heavy, okay, in these areas right here. Alright, and then I took it short. I took it short, I'm not really sure where it was. Alright, I took it short. The trade didn't end up like immediately resolving, and because again I had my daily goal 3 times, I do not want to stick around for, you know, a trade to go against me. I'm not going to do that. All right, so it didn't immediately resolve. It kind of like whipped around here, so I got out. I said I'll come back, revisit it later, but eventually it worked. You know, it came, it resolved. All right, I went short on it. I ended up losing like $60 on it, but that's okay. But eventually it resolved. What I wanted to happen happened. All right, it faded. Okay, because at these moments, Bitcoin was selling off. Okay, it was at the low day. I watched Bitcoin a lot, and that's how I kind of timed this trade. But again, I didn't want to risk giving back any profits for this. All right, I didn't need to. Okay, anytime after the first hour of the day, if I'm up, I don't like to give back profits. All right, any trade I take after that is bonus trades. Okay, if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, I'm out. All right, I try to stop out as soon as possible. Okay, I have this theory that you can always buy the stock. You can always buy back into the stock. All right, but again, you want to see, like, pay attention to volume. All right, and I can't stress enough how important these second charts are for day trading. I mean, it's great. Okay, all right, guys, that's gonna wrap up my daily kind of, I don't know what you want to call it, but you know, my daily review of my charts. I mean, my trades. I am not planning. We'll see what we do, you know, but I'm not really planning on doing a daily review. The main reason why I wanted to share with you guys my trades today is because I wanted to show you that example of a reversal play on CLDX. Okay, and how it would have worked perfectly, and how it would have worked, and how it worked perfectly on Workhorse also. Okay. All right, guys. Don't forget to, if you don't follow me on Twitter. It's PRFT Rocket, and please give me a like and subscribe. Again, I do not have any financial gain out of doing this, other than just doing it for fun. All right, so that's what I'm at right now. So the more you guys show me love, I'm not selling anything to you guys. I'm not some trading furu. All right, so the more you guys show me love, the more it's going to motivate me to continue making these videos. Thank you, guys.